The Dodge Challenger SRT Demon, introduced in 2018, is one of the most powerful muscle cars ever produced. It is equipped with a supercharged 6.2-liter Hemi V8 engine that delivers 840 horsepower and 770 lb-ft of torque. This car can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.3 seconds, making it one of the fastest production cars in the world. The Demon is designed specifically for drag racing.